Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Knottie Macrame. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a macrame flower coaster for your home using only one type of knot, the vertical Lark head knot. The tools that you will need for this tutorial are a knotting board, a cork board, and two pins, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a crochet hook, and lastly, fabric glue or glue gun. The material you will need for this tutorial is a piece of 3mm braided cotton cord with a length of 6.5 meter or 7.1 yard. To start the project, we will begin by using a pin to mark the point where one side measures 1 meter or 1.1 yards on the left and 5.5 meters or 6 yards on the right. As you can see now, the right side is a bit too long to handle, so I will show you how to bundle it up using the bundling technique. It makes things much easier for knotting. First, we take the end of the long cord and wrap it around your fingers. Going from fingers to make a figure 8 shape. Just remember to leave a bit of a length at the end to work with. Then slide the bundle off your fingers and use the end to wrap and tie it in the middle. You can also use a rubber band to keep it in place. And just like that, we just finished bundling the long cord on the right side. Let's move on to the first vertical Lark head knot. The right cord with the bundle will be your working cord and the left cord will be your filler cord. First, we bring the right working cord over and wrap it around the filler cord on the left. Then pass the working cord through the loop from back to front. While you tighten the knot, leave a bit of space at the top. Next, we bring the right working cord behind and wrap it around the left filler cord. Then pass the working cord through the loop from front to back. This is a vertical Lark head knot. Now we will make 4 more using the same technique. Try not to tie the knots too tightly. Give the design a little bit of space to breathe and flow naturally. While you are working and running out of working cord, just pull the cord out of the bundle to release more length. We just finished 5 vertical Lark head knots. Now, pass the end of the filler cord through the gap we left at the top to create a circular ring. Use a crochet hook to pull the cord from back to front. Now we use 2 pins to secure the design back to the board. The filler cord is still on the left and the working cord is still on the right side. For the next step, repeat the technique as before to tie 5 vertical lark head knots. Then we remove the pins. You can stretch the knots a little bit if you think they are too tight. Next, we skip 2 knots on the right and pass the filler cord through the outer loop from the back to front using the crochet hook. Then pin the design back to the board with the filler cord on the left and the working cord on the right. Continue with another 5 vertical lark head knots. We will skip 2 knots on the right and pass a filler cord to the outer loop the same way as before. Repeat the whole process one more time. Okay, let's take a quick break now. Craftsy is sponsor for this video. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to tell you that I am working with Craftsy because I decided to try something new, crochet. If you haven't heard of it yet, Craftsy is an awesome online community of creative makers. It's the perfect spot to learn a new skill, get inspired, and create beautiful things by hand. They offer over 2,000 classes in lots of different areas like knitting, sewing, cooking, painting, and of course, crochet. I began with the how to crochet class to learn the basics because I know nothing about crochet and this is a little bit embarrassing. But after that, when I know the basics, I started exploring even more fun projects like clothing and home decor. The step-by-step instructions make everything super easy to follow, even if you are totally new like me. And here is the best part. The first 1,000 of you who click on my link down below can get a full year of Craftsy Premium for only $1.49. This offer for new members only. If you are ready to get creative and try something new, check out Craftsy. Let's get back to our coaster. For the next step, tie 5 vertical lark head knots. This time, skip 3 knots on the right instead of 2 and pass the filler cord through the loop. We will repeat this process 4 more times. For the next step, tie another 5 vertical lark head knots. This time, we skip 4 knots on the right instead of 3 and pass the filler cord to the outer loop the same way as before. We will need to repeat this process 7 more times. To close the design, tie one last vertical lark head knot. You can tie this one tightly. We just finished the knot and bark. Now for the finishing touch, flip the design over. We will tuck the 2 ends through the filler cord that passed through the loop earlier. Now use fabric glue or a glue gun to secure the ends. After that, use a pair of scissors to trim the ends for a clean look. And that's it. You just finished your own flower coaster. Try using colorful cords to add a cheerful spring or summer touch to your home decor. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Bye!